Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, peace. Got the little, what we call this one, the P-51. It says Bunny on the side, number 7 in Miss Kentucky State. Got a thumb cam all taped on there, all haphazardly. It's windy today. It's like it's coming out of the see what it'll do. Wish me luck. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. It's a flying, barely. It's quite a headwind. You stall. Oh wow, that was neat. Probably too windy, but for video's sake, we're gonna fly it anyway. That's too cool. It's so quiet I can't hear it over the wind. It's a really nice looking plane. I hope I don't mess it up. See if I can do a flyby here a little bit lower. It's not wanting to come down. I have so much headwind, maybe the other direction. If I can fight this wind and get it to turn around here. Maybe as close as I'm gonna get. It was a little bit calmer. Ooh, maybe this will be the one. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. It's fighting that wind so bad or so hard to try to keep it in the air. It's doing it. It's so cool. Neat. That's full throttle. Some strong winds it's flying right into. Strong headwind. Oh, so cool. Wow, what a sweet airplane, man. That thing's so quiet. Neat. It's almost like it's hovering. It's amazing that these things can handle this. Whoa! Wow, what a good looking model. Good job to the creators of this airplane. XK. They make some good looking airplanes, in my opinion. They have some nice details to them. Look at this thing coming head on. Looks like the real thing. I'll have to work for that. Thumb cam taped on there all haphazardly. Haphazardly. We're gonna say. Looks like it's just a floating in the wind there. As it is, I suppose. Well, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for coming over here and watching my channel. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll get all my new videos coming up. Be right in the queue to watch them. I think we'll do a couple more passes here and then I'm going to try to bring it in for a landing. Get a little bit weak. I can hardly tell because of the wind. I think it'll give me an alarm. low here and get a nice low pass for us. It's trying to get up here. I don't think I could get any slower pass for it. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna backward walk up to the grass and try to bring it for a landing. Hopefully I'm catching some good video on the airplane and on the head cam. Very neat. Oh, there it's gonna land right there. Run out of juice. That's good enough. At least it landed on its wheels. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Keep on coming back. I sure appreciate the support. Just get a look at it. That's all in one piece still. Thanks, guys. That's the P-51 by XK. Thanks for watching. Bye.